Hi, this is Alper. Welcome to Antmedia Hackathon called Streaming Hack. Antmedia has been developing Antmedia Server, which is one of the well-known real-time streaming software in the world, and it's used more than 120 countries. Our vision is to become streaming engine of the world. Therefore, we are working hard to offer best real-time streaming software in the market. As I mentioned in the beginning, we organized this hackathon to call developers all around the world, like you guys, to join us and create a real-time streaming video application using the Antmedia server. In this hackathon, you will receive a starter kit plus support from our great mentors and experts, and we will expect you to create a real-time streaming application. We invite you to join this hackathon, use your creativity, and put together great real-time streaming video application on any topic you may like. The sky is the limit. We expect you to join. Welcome.